Okay, so here's the story problem for today, boys and girls. Oh, and today we are going to find a sum by breaking apart a 1-digit addend to make a 2-digit addend a multiple of 10.
That does not make sense.
I know. I will show you. Okay? Alright, please stop messing with that. Griffin read 27 books about animals and 6 books about space. How many books did he read? Okay. How could you model blocks to show each number of books? Hudson, what did I ask you to do? How can you use blocks to model the number of books, boys and girls? Like the 10 block that we just was drawing.
Line.
Okay. So I want you to put you're gonna do 27 over here for the 27 animal books. And 6 over here for the 6 books. Space books. Okay? Now, if I put 27 over here, how do I show 27 with blocks? 2 tens.
7 1.
7 ones. How do I do 6?
6 10. 6 1.
6 ones. There is no tens in the number 6. Okay. Now, boys and girls, it said how many books did he read? Okay. Boys and girls, if you look at this, you would add these two numbers together to find the answer. But we're drawing a picture to help us, okay? Now, listen. We can trade some of these ones and put them over here with that to make a tens number, okay? To make 27 a tens number. The closest tens number to 27 is 30, okay? 30 is a tens number, 3 and a 0. Tens numbers have a 0 at the end, right? 1 0. Right? So what you do, you're going to take 3 from 6 and move it over here to put the 3 over here. These are now gone. Okay? Yep. Now, okay, so this made 10 now, so I want you to put it in a box to show that it's 10 now. Okay? So now how many 10s do we have, guys? 3, which is what number?
30.
30. And how many ones do we have left? 3. Can you add those two a lot easier than these two?
Yeah.
What's 30 plus 3?
33.
There you go. So how many books did he read?
33.
33 books. Okay? 33 books. That's what we are doing today. We are going to be adding with bigger numbers, so we're going to draw pictures to help us find the answer, okay? Sound good? So flip your papers over, please.
I get it now.
Okay, so we have 28 here. They do, or 27 plus 8, I'm sorry, 27 plus 8. 27's in blue, you see that. So they drew a picture. 27 is 2 10s, 7 ones, right? 8 is 8 ones. Okay, well, to make this 10, they need 3 more, right? So they took 3 from 8 and now made that a 10. So now how many 10s do they have again? 1, 2, and this is all another 10. So that is 3 10s. And then how many do they have left over for 1s? Look at them. How many? Yeah, 5. They have 5 left over. So if you have 3 10s, that's 30. 5 left over. 30 plus 5 is what, boys and girls?
35.
35. So 27 plus 8 is
35.
35. We'll go over all share and show together. Okay. All right. These say, draw quick pictures, break apart the 1s and 10s, and then add the sum. Add and write the sum. So, first you have to draw the picture. 15. How do you draw 15? 1 10 and 5 1s. So they did that for you, okay? How do you make 7? 7 1s. Now, what does this 5 1s need to make 10? They need 5 more, right? So we're going to steal 5 from the 7 to make it another 10. So this is another 10. How many 10s do we have now? We now have 2 10s, which is how much? 20. And then how many 1s is left over outside of that box?
2.
What's 20 plus 2?
22.
Okay, so that is our answer. 15 plus 7 is 22. Okay? Okay. I will show you how I like to do it, just so you guys don't get confused. I like to cross out things so that it's not so confusing. So let's do 26. How many 10s do you have in 26?
2.
How many 1s?
6.
Okay, I might have to draw this a little bigger. 6 1s. Remember, I want 5 and then 1 more. 5 going down. Okay? And then what's 5? How do we draw 5?
There's 5.
Just 5 1s, right? Okay, so here's what I want. I want to make this complete for another 10. Okay, so how many do I need to add to go over there? To make this 10. Grayson?
4.
Yeah, I would put this one right there, this one right there, this one right there, and this one right there. That's 4 of them, right?
Yeah.
So if I took those, and now all those are a 10. How many 10s do I have now?
1.
This is 110. Right here is 110, right? Right here is 110. That's not 110. So that's how many 10s right there?
2.
And then I made 10 with this. So now I have how many 10s?
20.
How many 10s do I have if I put those 4 over there?
30.
Okay, but how many 10s do I have now?
3.
3. I have 3, which makes the number 30. And how many 1s do I have left over? 1. There's only 1 down here that did not get used. So 30 plus 1 is what?
31.
31. Okay? When we make a circle, you're making another 10. Okay? All right, let's do 37 plus 8. How do we do 37? How many 10s? 3 10s. 7 1s. How do I make 8?
8. 8 1.
8 1s. Everybody paying attention? Everybody done drawing? Okay. So basically, we drew the 37 and the 8, right? That's the first step. Okay? Second step is the 7 ones on this side wants to be 10. They want to be 10 ones so that it can make a big 10. Okay? So, how many do I need to take away from 8 to bring over here to make that a 10? Emma? Yeah, so I'm going to circle 3 and bring it over here to be with this 7. Okay? So now how many 10s do I have?
10.
This is a 10 right here, right?
Yeah.
Right here is a 10. Right here is a 10. Right here is a 10. And now this
It's a 10.
is a 10. So how many 10s do I have now?
4.
4. So 4 10s is how much?
40.
40. And now what do I have left over? Count these. 5. So now we have 40 plus 5, which equals
45.
45. So that is our answer.
This is kind of weird. It's like you're counting like 2 numbers. You're counting by 5. It's
Okay? All right, let's do 28 plus 6. How many 10s?
2.
How many 1s?
8.
And then I need to draw 6, which is
6.
6 1s. Thank you. Okay. Basically, I need to make this be a 10. So how many do I need to scoot from over here from the 6 to make the 8 a 10? 2. I'm going to move over 2. Circle them. I moved them over. Okay. Okay. So now how many 10s do I have?
4. 3. 3. 3. 4.
Okay.
3.
How many lines do I have?
3.
How many lines do I have?
2.
But then I made this another one, right?
Yeah.
So now there is
30.
Okay. We have one right here, right? A 10? We have a 10 right here, right? Then we made this 10, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So where are you getting 4?
Oh.
Then why do I keep hearing the number 4? Guys, when you circle this, that's just 1 10. It's not more than that. When you circle it to make them together, it's 1 10 that you're adding. So there are how many 10s?
3.
So that would be
30.
30. And how many 1s do you have left over?
4.
Maybe that's what you guys were trying to say. If you had 4 1s, but we weren't at the 1s yet, I was asking for the 10s. What's 30 plus 4?
34.
Okay. 34. All right. Boys and girls. Turn the page. We have to find the missing number down here in the hot problems. That is not easy. Okay, I am going to suggest you use a number line or your hundreds chart on 15.